Why are you late?
Why really?
Mira.
So sorry, I missed the bus earlier.
Oh.
Really?
Alright, so what topic should we discuss now?
The topic we will discuss is about why men and women can never be equal.
Oh, interesting topic.
Anyone want to share an opinion?
Okay, me. Firstly, there are many differences between men and women in terms of ability. For example, men have a higher ability than women in terms of strength.
Wow, that's good.
May I suggest too?
Yes, you can.
I think the way men and women think also different. Women are smarter than men. In other words, women use more thoughts than actions than men.
I agree with that. Besides, body characteristics are also different between men and women. However, the trend of individuals changing their gender has had a negative impact. Consequently, this caused the country image to be tarnished.
That's right. I should try to. In some cases, women are also unable to do something alone other than asking for help from others. Work that uses a lot of energy and high risk work.
I don't agree with that. I think there are also women who will be risky conditions.
Okay, my bad.
So, Mira, you are the only one who has not committed any wrong.
Yes, finally, emotions are also among the things that distinguish men and women. In particular, women are usually more emotional than men.
Nice.
So, in conclusion, men and women can never be equal. There are many things that differentiate between men and women.
Agree.
Before that, has anyone note our suggestion earlier?
I did, no worry.
Good.